Haiku's automatic publish and unpublish feature lets me specify a date and time that a page will become available to my class, and it also lets me specify an expiration date so that the page is no longer available to the class. So let's walk through how to do that. In my class called 6th Grade Central, I have a number of pages which you can see on the left. So I have home, geography, math, science, and language arts. The icons to the right of each page show me which is published and which is not. The orange indicates that a page is available to my class, and the gray indicates that it's unpublished and that it's available only to me, the teacher. There are two ways to get to the automatic publishing feature, and the first is to click the icon. In the small window that loads, I have three options. I can publish it now, I can publish it on a specific date at a specific time, or I can publish it on a specific date at a specific time and set it to expire on another date at another time. So for this geography page, I'm going to set it to publish next week, so November 30th. And I'll let it publish at midnight. And then I want my page to come down, or no longer to be available to students, the next month, which I'll set as December 28th. And I'll leave it close to midnight there as well. Now I click the Save button. And I can see from the message at the top that my page geography will be published on November 30th, 2009 at midnight. I can also see in the icon that there's an hourglass indicator here that's different from the orange indicator that shows the page that has been published. But then when I hover over it, I can see this small notation that says the page will be published and when it will expire. The other way that I could set the publish date and time is from the Manage Page button. So if I click Manage Page, and I choose Page Settings. This time I'm looking for Status, which shows here in the center of the page. Now if I click Edit, because this page is already published, I have the option to unpublish. And then I have the two options we'd seen previously, which was Publish On for just the start date, and Publish From Until, where I can set the start and the expiration dates. I won't change that since I need this page to be published, so I'll go ahead and cancel. And those are the basics for how to use automatic publishing. There are a couple things to note, however. One is that when you have a page like Science, which has subpages, we can think of those in terms of parents and children. So Science is the parent because it's the broader category, and Biology and Chemistry are the children because they fit within Science. Now the thing to note in terms of automatic publishing is that the parent page will always respect the children's published dates. So if I set Biology to publish next week, let's say I'll make it November 30th, and I'll click Save. When I go to the parent page, Science, and set that to publish, when I choose Publish On, if I choose a day after the 30th, which is after the child, let's say December 1st, one day later, and choose Save, Haiku will ask if I want to apply these settings to all of my sub-pages. Basically it's saying that your parent page has to be published when the child page is. So I'll go ahead and click Yes. And now I can see that all the pages underneath Science, all the children, Biology and Chemistry, are set to publish on December 1st, the same day as the parent. The other thing to note is that if you're using ePortfolio, you can copy any page into your ePortfolio. What you need to keep in mind is that ePortfolio does not use the automatic publish feature. The page is always brought into the ePortfolio as unpublished.